Hi, this is a Hammerhead Jigsaw. Bought it from Amazon. And the reviews said to buy more blades, so I did. Okay, I'm reading the directions, the manual, just looking at the package content, and familiarizing myself with all the buttons. Not sure what this thing is or does, but I'm going to change the blade, or not change the blade, but put a blade in it. These are the Hammerhead brand blades. I'm kind of glad that I bought the DeWalt blades. It looks like maybe they are a little less flimsy, but you never know. Well, I'm getting off to a not good start. I put the blade in backwards, and that little doohickey right there is kind of hard to pull up. Now I'm gonna have to get some pliers, see if I can yank that blade out. Okay, I didn't have to get pliers. I just pulled up on that blue doohickey, and shook it, and the blade fell out. So you're supposed to put the T part inside that contraption. Well, I put it in the correct way, and I have no idea if it's locked in there. I didn't hear a click. Okay, so now I realize I put the blade in backwards. Had it upside down before, put it right side up. Now I've got the blade backwards. Gotta change that. Okay, so this $22 Amazon Jigsaw works. Well, at least I plugged it in and it got power. I'm not going to use that until I get this coupe frame done. And then I'm going to cut out the template that I made with that little jigsaw. So if anyone knows what this thing is for, let me know. Looks like it's a parallel guide, and I have no idea what a parallel guide is. I'm just hoping to cut out that template